everyone in the world! Yahoo! みんな、もち先生です。I think those of you who are studying Japanese have many opportunities to watch various Japanese videos on YouTube or Instagram. Don't you often watch the video titled, Do not use sayonara? Actually, the word sayonara is not wrong. I mean, it literally means goodbye, but it is rarely used in daily conversations. I want you all to learn more natural Japanese, so today I will teach you some phrases that Japanese people actually use. So let's get started. 始めよう! When do we use sayonara? First, the word sayonara does means goodbye, and it is correct. However, it is only used in limited situations because it has a nuance of forever goodbye. Sayonara! It is hardly used in daily life conversations, although you may hear it in the movies or drama.
新ドラ先生さようなら1月22日24時59分スタート。さよなら。
But the truth is, when we were children, we actually used to say sayonara every single day. The situation where it is used is, for example, at school or sport club team, and also after school lessons. So when we were children, we say, Sensei, sayonara. Minasan, sayonara. And then we leave. We used sayonara in scenes where we taught correct Japanese, so it is not incorrect to say sayonara, but still, we don't use it usually. However, many people stop saying sayonara after finishing their education. Now, let's learn some phrases to replace sayonara. For a person you will be separated from for a long time. First, for the person you'll be separated from for a long time, for example, when you're saying goodbye to a friend who's moving away or a colleague who's being transferred, you can say お元気で formal form お元気で or to friends casual form 元気でね元気でね Saying sayonara can make it sound like you will never see each other ever again after. So please, let's avoid using it. You can say like 元気でねたまにメールしてねまた会おうね So these phrases will be perfect in this situation. In a business setting. In a business setting, we say お疲れ様でしたお疲れ様でしたWhen you leave in your workplace, it's necessary to say お疲れ様でした to your colleagues and to your boss. And other phrase is お先に失礼します This means I'll leave before you. Excuse me, goodbye, see you tomorrow. お先に失礼しますお疲れ様でした Like this.When a meeting with a business partner ends and they are leaving, or when customer is leaving, saying お気をつけてお帰りください is very polite. Again, お気をつけてお帰りください。今日はありがとうございました。お気をつけてお帰りください。When leaving home.In Japan, there's a phrase used when leaving home when going out. It's 行ってきます行ってきます which means I'm leaving now when talking to family members. The response to 行ってきます is 行ってらっしゃい行ってきます行ってらっしゃい When you come back, say ただいまただいまAnd the response to this is おかえり or おかえりなさい So open the door ただいまおかえり Like this. It is important to remember both phrases together because it can be said without a response. If someone say 行ってきます please say 行ってらっしゃいAnd if someone say ただいま please say おかえり Bye to friends Next, when you want to say bye-bye to friends, またね、じゃあね、バイバイ、それじゃ、また今度。There are various options. They all have similar nuances, so it doesn't matter which one you use. I always say またね at the end of videos. Also, I think you hear many じゃあな in anime. This is masculine form of じゃあね. じゃあね is normal, just bye, and masculine is じゃあな。
じゃあな。ありがとう。じゃあ頑張って。またな。いってらっしゃい。
And also, またな is masculine form of またね. As you can see, there are various ways to say goodbye depending on the situations. So please remember the correct phrases that match each situation. So, summary. さようなら is goodbye, but it sounds like forever goodbye. So, Japanese people don't use it in daily conversations. Instead of さようなら for farewell, お元気で。お元気で。元気でね。元気でね。In business situation, お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様でした。お先に失礼します。お先に失礼します。お気をつけてお帰りください。お気をつけてお帰りください。Leaving house. 行ってきます。行ってらっしゃい。行ってきます。行ってらっしゃい。ただいま。おかえり。ただいま。おかえり。To friends. またね。またね。じゃあね。じゃあね。バイバイ。バイバイ。それじゃ。それじゃ。また今度。また今度。Great job, guys! How was today's lesson? I hope this video helps, and also please join to my broadcast channel, my Instagram. I'm releasing broadcast-only videos and free learning materials here. Check it out! And don't forget to subscribe, push like button, and please leave comments. I would love to read them, and I'm gonna reply it as much as possible. And see you guys in the next video. じゃあねー。またねー。